Honor has introduced Play 60 smartphone. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. If talk about the specification of this amazing phone, it could measure a thickness of 8.39 mm and weighs 197 grams. It features an IPS LCD touchscreen display with 6.61 inches display screen size and 720 by 1604 pixel resolution and efficient display capabilities, along with some other features such as a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. There will be 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM, and storage variants will be 128 GB and 256 GB. Honor Play 60 will further adopt a 13 megapixel rear main camera for best photography experience and a 5 megapixel front facing camera for beautiful videos and photos. Smartphone will run on Android operating system. Honor Play 60 smartphone will come in 3 colors: green, black and snow. That's all for now and thanks for watching.